These two are my favorite purchases. Cute. Then I got this really उल्टा है क्या? उल्टा है क्या? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share my Thailand shopping haul. I recently went to Thailand and I have vlogged it. You can watch it in parts on my channel. And in today's video I'm going to share what all I got and also the price for which I got it. First I'll show you the brand and mall stuff, and post that I'll show you my street shopping haul. So the first thing I got is this white bodysuit. This is from H&M. So every time I see H&M and Zara, I always enter the store because we don't have these stores in Goa. I love to see what all is there, okay? And I always go in the sales section. So I got this top in the sales section. It fits me like a glove. I love that my muscle cuts can be seen through this. I make sure to invest a lot in white and beige clothes because a lot of the times brands request us to wear white. And I've been just loving wearing white and neutral and beige clothes. It just makes you look very classy, I feel. So originally this was for 500 baht, but I got it for 300 baht because it was on discount. Next I got these beige pants from Uniqlo. It has these white stripes all over. I feel this will look perfect for my office. I can pair it up with any white top, any beige, any neutral top, to be honest. It went really well with this top also. I opened the Uniqlo Indian website there and I checked the difference. The prices were almost the same, so I just got it in the store itself. So I heard a lot about Boots. So it's a it's a store for all the cosmetic and skincare and everything. So I just entered it because I heard a lot about it. I didn't know what to buy. I mean, I honestly didn't need anything, so I just thought of buying some pads because I love trying pads from different countries. And this is from Sophie. I know Sophie is there in India. There was just no other option. I just wanted to, buy something, so I just got it. I got 2 panty liner ka set and 1 pad just in case. Total was 76 baht. So one day we were just roaming in the mall and I saw this section of innerwear. It was a very small store. It was called Skin Plus Plus Intimate. There were a lot of these seamless panties, this stretchable, this one size panties there, and they all looked very cute. So they were giving 3 panties for 250 baht. Sounded like a good deal to me, and even the panties were really good quality. So I got a set of 3 panties. They are very cute. This one is the first one. Then I got these floral one also. All 3 are very similar tones. I mean, I'm just into these colors these days. Now let's start with my street shopping haul. So you might be aware of Chatuchak Market. If you're not, then Chatuchak Market is basically a street shopping market and it's only open on weekends, Saturday and Sunday. We went there on Saturday and the market is huge. मतलब मैं पागल हो गई देख के. There were so many shops. You get literally everything there and you can bargain, of course. There are some stores which don't bargain as much, and there are some branded stores also on the street. They had very cute stuff like skirts, tops, dresses, bags, accessories. You get everything there, okay? So the first thing I got from Chatuchak Market are these tiger balms. I don't even use balms, you guys, but I bought this because I got influenced. I have seen a lot of YouTubers Thailand hauls. Most of the people buy tiger balm. I just dropped all of it. Excuse what just happened. So a lot of YouTubers just buy these tiger balms in bulk. I just wanted to see what the hype is about, so I bought 4 of them. So one tiger balm was for 60 baht. I got the small size. The bigger size was more, I think, or maybe I got the big size, I don't remember. This is a 10 gram one, okay? If you were buying 12, they were giving it for 55 baht each. I'll give 1 to my mother-in-law, 1 to my grandmother, 1 I'll keep for myself just in case. The 4th one I'll give to my mother's parents. So just the people who actually use the balm. The only time I'm close to using a balm is when I pull my neck. I pull my neck so many times. That happens quite often. So I can use it when I pull my neck. Next, I got this top from Chatuchak Market. They had fixed price only and all of their clothes were of this shade, like very beige, and different shades of beige they had. They had skirts, top, and there were many types of tops also, and all of them were one size. It didn't look cropped to me. It looked like a short top, which I thought I could wear to office with a high waist pants, but it turned out to be even shorter than I expected. I got this one for 200 baht. It was fixed price. And peeche se you have this thing to tie and it has this elastic down. I just love the color, first of all. That's why I got it. Yay. Then I got these elephant pants. This is like a typical thing which tourists buy in Thailand. So one pair of pants I got for myself. I got two more similar pants for my cousins. There's one shorts also. All of these combined was for 480 baht. They didn't really bargain, but it was quite cheap anyway. It was like 100 baht per pair of pants. I don't remember exactly, but the total was 480 baht. I also got this short and pant wala set for a cousin of mine. For kids, they didn't have just shirt. For kids, they were selling a set of two, and this was for 200 baht. It was little bit more expensive than the other places we got, but this is not from Chatuchak market. This we got from Khao San Road because we forgot to get this for my cousin in Chatuchak market. So the same day at night we went to Khao San Road and there we found it, and they were selling for very expensive, selling for 350, 400, but we still searched for more shops. She was quoting 250 for it, so we bargained and we got it for 200. Then I got this really cute skirt again from Chatuchak market. This woman wasn't ready to bargain at all. We searched in a lot of places for a similar skirt and other people were quoting even higher price, so we again went back to the first woman and we got it for the price which she was mentioning, which was kitna hai? Which was 370 baht, but the quality is good and I really loved it. मतलब मेरा दिल आ चुका था इस स्कर्ट पे. And in these countries ना, all of these Asian women, they look so cute. They look perfect from top to bottom. Okay, their clothes are perfect, their nails are perfect, their hair is perfect, and they wear very cute hair accessories also. And most of these clothes are like on the neutral side. Most of these people wear these white and beige clothes only. And I saw many people wearing similar skirt, तो तभी मेरा दिल आ गया था. I'm like, I need it. Next, I got this really cute hat. Again, most of these Asian women were wearing these hats. I thought it would look perfect on a beach vacation, and it looks very cute. This is like a yellow beige. I wanted it lighter. It was not available. I mean, that was there, but the bow of it was too huge and it was looking very kiddish. So I found this wala bow very subtle, so I got this. This was again fixed price and I got it for 199 baht. So that is like almost 200. So we just gave 200. We didn't take the change back. Then we got these handmade soaps. They look so real. These are soaps. Yes, we got a set of 10 and they were giving 10 soaps for 300 baht. If you buy one soap, then it was around 60 or 45 baht. Everywhere it was different prices, but this shop which we saw, it was like 300 for 10, which was a little bit reasonable. I mean, it was lesser than other places we saw. So we got 10 of it just for gifting purpose. So yeah, they have a really nice scent also to it. When we went to Pattaya floating market na, it was very expensive. The soaps look very high quality though, but those soaps were like 600 for 10. So that was very expensive. These we got for 300, so like half the price. I would recommend if you're buying these soaps now, buy from Chatuchak market only. Other places are a little bit more expensive. Then I got these two shorts ऐसे ही घर पे पहनने के लिए. This is from some brand Toonton. It was like a proper branded store. They were scanning the label and it was properly packed. We got it for 89 each. I like the cat on it, that's why I got it. Next one has this cheetah print. My clothes which I wear at home are so dirty and old and torn. I literally look homeless in them, so I definitely needed some more loungewear. The most exciting part about this haul is this tote bag from Chloe. It's not real. It's a fake one from Chatuchak market. I have one tote bag from Charles and Keith which I got in Singapore. I used that bag throughout the trip and it was so convenient for me, so handy. Everything fit in it. So I just wanted more tote bags and I saw so many people carrying Chloe totes. So I was gonna get a Louis Vuitton or Marc Jacobs ka tote bag. But since everyone was wearing Chloe, I got influenced. I'm like, I want Chloe now. And everyone was quoting such high prices for this bag. Some people were like 3,000, some people were like 2,000. Itna मेरे को spend नहीं करना था. In my mind तो if I get it for 500 baht, I'll buy it. But then I changed my mind because 500 was too less and I don't think anyone would have agreed for that. One man started laughing at me when I said 500. So we searched so many shops in Chatuchak also, and even in other markets actually, but Chatuchak was cheaper than other places we saw. Chatuchak was on our last day, so I'm like, I have to get it. So बहुत सारा search किया, okay, बहुत सारा search किया. Then in one lane, in some corner, we found this really small shop. He just quoted 1,000 for it, and baht, I'm not talking about rupees. It was much lesser than what other people were quoting. He said, I'll give you for 800 baht. He only said on his own. It was fine for us. I wanted one more bag, which technically I got for my mom, but I loved it a lot, so I may keep it for myself if she doesn't like it. This is a YSL shoulder bag. This is so classy, you guys. So this he said 1200 baht, but both of these we got for 1500. थोड़ा bargain किया, तो दोनों bag 1500 baht में मिल गए. This is so classy. वैसे I got it for my mom and I didn't think that I should get one more for myself. इतना दिमाग नहीं चलाया, but I told my mom, she's like, if you like it so much, just keep it, I don't need it. And it has a sling also inside. It has a belt thing, so you can wear it like a sling bag. These two are my favorite purchases. Next, I got this fanny pack. This looks exactly like those Uniqlo fanny packs, and this cost us 200 baht. So we got it from Khausan Road. Chatuchak में भी ये था, I think, I don't remember, but I think it was little bit expensive. So Khausan Road में भी ये देखा, and people were quoting very high prices like 400, 500. And this one store, one very chilled out guy was just eating his food, and we asked him, he's like 250. We asking 200, he's like 220. We asking 200, then he's like okay. He was very chill, so मैं तो happy हो गई. 200 baht में बहुत अच्छा fanny pack मिला. Saish also got these shorts for his friend. It looks really funny. I think this is what they wear for boxing in Thailand, and it's a very popular design. And we got these baby clothes. Look at this, so cute. So it's a set. कुछ लगा है इसमें? No, ये तो elephant की shape की है. अच्छा, I thought there's something on it. Comes with these really cute pants as well. So this we got for a couple friend of ours who recently had a baby. This is so cute. I want to become a baby again so I can wear these things. We also got this really cute frock for my baby cousin. It looks so cute. This print was very common for baby clothes. We saw these clothes almost everywhere. So this we got in Patpong market. So we visited it on our second or third day. That's the first time we found these, and we found it really cute, so we bought it. I feel we should have waited because Chatuchak had so many options, but we got a good deal on it. We got both for 200 each, so total 400. The last thing is some ramen for my friend. She loves ramen. She had told me to get some noodles. So that was it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!